This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the phone. Plug it into power and confirm battery is at least 50% so the update won't abort mid-install. Once done, clear 1 to 2 gigabytes of storage by uninstalling apps or moving media to cloud or SD. Make sure you're on a stable Wi-Fi network because updates can be hundreds of megabytes. Next, open Settings, go to System, and check the current Android version and available updates so you know what to expect. You initiate the download from Settings right arrow system update. Tap Check for updates and start the download. While downloading, avoid heavy tasks and keep the device charged. This prevents checksum errors. If the installer fails, reboot the phone and attempt the update again. If persistent, boot into safe mode to exclude third-party apps interfering with installation. For large OS upgrades, schedule the install at night and ensure at least 1 gigabyte free to let the updater unpack files. You finish by letting the device complete its post-install optimizations. This can take several minutes. Once the launcher returns, open Play Store and update apps so nothing breaks. If the update freezes or causes boot loops, first clear the system update app cache and data, then reboot. If that fails, restore your backup and perform a factory reset as a last resort. Make sure you backed up contacts, photos, and messages before resetting, and contact the device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.